Hi guys, I'm Avery. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this very neutral look with the Anastasia Carli Bybel palette. Keep watching if you want to see. So I already started with my brows on and my eyelids primed with my Fenty concealer. And I'm going to take my Tarte Unicorn brush with the shade Chai, and I'm going to blend that into my crease a little bit, and then I'll take my Anastasia brush to blend out the harsh lines. I'm then going to take my Alamar Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Bybel and blend that one in my crease as well. I'm going to take my Vintage Cosmetics tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Boy and put that on my outer corners. I'm going to take my finger and go into Moo and just place that all over my lid, and then blend it into my other shadows a little bit. So now that I have the rest of my makeup done, I'm going to go in with my Alamar Cosmetics flat brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of Boy or Buoy, I don't really know what the name is. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and blend it in with my outer corners. Now I'm going to take my round brush and I'm going to go into Bali and put that on my inner corners. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be putting everything that I have on the rest of my face in my description. Let me know what else you want to see. Bye!